Hello, welcome to week 8 of testing the Stoch-Cross Scalper Expert Advisor on a live account. Let's go to it and let me pull up the history for you. It was a fairly good week. It started off a little bit slow, but last we talked was on right here, the 22nd. Since then, it's knocked off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. If you look over here, this is not a loss. It's a profit of $9.70. What happened here is I was messing with trailing stops. I think the next enhancement to the Stoch-Cross Scalper is to add a trailing stop to it. A lot of times, it stops out the way I have it set up now, and the lot size that I'm trading, it stops out at $10, where or with the 5-digit broker, it's 100 pips. A lot of times those trades, if left alone, would have they would have went further, 140 pips or 120. So I think the stop loss or the trailing stop loss will squeeze every penny out of those trades. So that's something that I'm going to do to it. Those of you that buy it, those types of enhancements or new versions of the advisor, you'll get those naturally for free. So there it is. Now this one here too, I was messing around with trailing stop. You can see that it didn't lose anything. It was 0. And you can also see that I actually entered, that's not going to show you. I entered this manually. Usually when you hover over, there it goes. So when you see this one placed manually, see it? Whereas these are placed by the expert. See? Placed manually. But so anyways, it continues to do, as I like to say, phenomenal. So year to date, it has done a total of 132 trades. Of those, 122 have been profitable, 9 of them have been a loss, and then one of them was what I call a draw. That's that 0 that I just showed you. So I call that a draw. So out of 132 trades, 122 profits. That's a 93% profitable trade rate. And my account balance, remember I started with 500, is up $190, which is a 38% profit in under 2 months. Where can you put $500 and make 38% profit in under 2 months? Nowhere. And that's the lure and the draw of Forex is there's this potential to make some really good money. And by no means do I want to misrepresent and say that you're going to get rich or make a lot of money off of this. I mean, it certainly is possible. I can't see the future, but I forget where I was going with that. But anyways, this is working really well. The profitable trades continue to stay around the 93%. The balance, which I mean, really the ultimate, you can have all the profitable trades you want, but if your losses, dig into your profit and you don't dig into your balance, bottom line's your balance. I mean, that's really, I think, what we all really care about is seeing our balance grow. And mine, again, like I said, went up $197 right there. And that's including some things that I did that, for those of you that might be just watching for the first time, there was a time back here when I was demonstrating lot sizes that I moved the lot size down to 0.01 so that the profit on that trade was only $1. There's one. See, 98 cents, 98 cents, and so on. And then in addition, I did trade on a Friday that I shouldn't have and lost $200. So even with that, I still have a profit of $197. So there you have it for week 8. It's still doing good. Currently in a trade right now. Where is it at? Right here is where well, not I, but the expert advisor did a sell, and since then it has gone up. And again, just like many of the trades before, you've got to give them room to breathe. And I suspect that either later tonight or tomorrow morning, this will come down and we'll take a profit. And then if not, it doesn't. It's a loss. And, like I've said before, that losses are to be expected. If you're looking for an expert advisor that's 100% profitable, good luck. Something else you might notice is that my version says Stoch-Cross Scalper 3.1 stated today. And that's because I'm playing with the code for that trailing stop. So I don't want to change the original file that's available up there. So I just give this a different name until I'm ready to update or upgrade the file that's on the market. So there you have it. It was a busy week. Yesterday was a very good day for profitable trades for the Stoch-Cross Scalper. Have a good rest of your week. Have a great weekend. We'll talk again a week from today, which would be the 8th. And happy trading. Thank you very much.